Hi, I'm John Murphy. I'm the Operations Manager for Strand, and I'm going to take you through the process of how the milk goes from the farm into the school milk carton. All our farmers are located within 15 kilometres of our factory here in Tralee. When the milk arrives into Strand, it comes into milk intake, and the sample is taken from each compartment of the milk tanker. And only after the sample has been tested and cleared will the milk be pumped into the silos here. Once the milk is pumped into the silos, it is ready for processing. The milk is pasteurised and homogenised in the plant and packed into the cartons. Pasteurisation is a heat treatment which ensures the milk is safe to drink, and homogenization breaks up the fat globules in the milk so that they remain evenly dispersed in the milk and the cream doesn't float on top of the carton when you open it. The milk is packed into our refrigerated delivery vans ready for delivery to your school. In our lab here in Strand, the raw milk from our milk suppliers is tested to ensure that it's free from antibiotic residues and that the milk is fresh. We also carry out a number of tests on all finished product. For example, we check that the fat content is correct and that the milk is fresh. Each carton of milk has a use-by date and traceability code printed on it. We can use our traceability system that is in place here in Strand to trace the milk through our production process to the farms that the milk has come from. Only the freshest milk is packed into cartons here in Strand.